why I'm back again. Sorry, but let's take a walk on some of the wild side of 3D printing. I'm saying like there's a lot of things like this stuff that you get addicted to 3D printing, and you can watch your printer for hours. This chick here, look at that America Dream tattoo. No, pretty sure Kelly made her own 3D printer. That's pretty neat, eh? Anyways, what can you say? That's pretty cool. Printed right at her house. She could have made that guy look like anything, or he instead of a machete, he could have been holding anything. They keep disappearing. I don't like that. Should I even bother? No. Okay, let's take you on the wild side of 3D printing. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. The wild side. The wild side. There you go, down a page. We are on the wild side of 3D printing. Yes, we are, son. We're on the wild side. This is Facebook. Oh my god. Look at that. That's a mini 3D printer. Check this one out. It prints cookie cutters and other small things for your house. And it's not from me. Looks like an M3D. Hell no. Oh my god. How to search Thingiverse faster. Yeah, I use Yagi too. I'm gonna update that. And oh, look at that. Now it must have been somebody's story. I don't know. It says that I'm not on anymore. Let's just see if that's true. Ah, where did I go? Where go? I don't know. My webcam stopped working. Does that mean I'm still recording? I'm probably still recording, so let's take you guys down. Ooh, I think those are some pellet guns. A hat for the cat. Dino Dicks. This is very popular. It's not all the way done yet. It looks like a CR10S on there. Basically just testing the microphone and what I sound like on YouTube. That's beautiful setup. Look at that setup, guys. Beautiful. I like Adam's setup he has there. I love the carpet, the Nintendo carpet down there. That's pretty cool. Little home jalopy, it looks like. Nice little printer. Anyways, the dark side of 3D printing is that you tend to 3D print everything. Look at this mask for this dog here. Hey guys, I'm looking for some tips, tricks, and help. I work in a vet hospital and have a case for a dog with a skull fracture. Unfortunately, there isn't a market for dog helmets to protect its skull from during and healing. So I'm looking for help on making a 3D printed helmet for my patient. I have no idea where to start. I'm trying to design something along the lines of this. Update. Thank you everyone for the help. It really means a lot. So anyways, this printing group, it's called 3D Printing Uncensored. They just don't have bad stuff on it. They have great content. Really awesome content. Like look at this. Look at this. Look at Bow Wow here. Aw, that's cute. Anyways, I'm so happy they helped him at 3D Printing Uncensored. I think it's sad that we can't have a 3D Printing Uncensored group, but these are why. Because people report things. Like, look at that. That is sweet. And without this group, that would have never came to fruition. So, anyways, no matter what there is, don't be a numbnuts and wow. Those files, I got those files done. Okay, I gotta go, guys. My baby girl's